Hey, what's going on? Cole here with another episode of Cole's Common Questions. Today's question comes from an insider who is IICRC certified. Now, this insider was curious because they want to take AIMC, but they also want to get IICRC Continuing Education credit hours. Well, they are in luck because now you can get those hours. For taking AIMC, you can get 6 credit hours, and for the CE class, you can get 3 credit hours. So let me show you how you do that. I'm at getinsights.org and logged into my account. I'm going to go to Actionable Academy and click AI Matterport certification. I'm then brought to this page where I want to scroll to the bottom and look for this Tangerine Tango button, Become Matterport Certified. After clicking that, I'm brought to this final page where I can actually opt in to the IICRC certified status. I'm going to click Yes and Add to Cart. And guys, just like that, you're able to get IICRC Continuing Education credit hours for taking a class that you were probably already going to take. So we hope you enjoy it. I know this is going to be useful for many of you out there. So if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below, and I'd be happy to answer them. Catch you guys later.